You are welcome to Safubafu's free poultry consultation. Brooding takes place from the first day to 14 days, that is 2 weeks, but it is advisable to extend it to 3 weeks to 1 month. When the chicks are 1 week old, begin to reduce the temperature by 5%. Please note, it is very important if you are using coal pot, earthen pot, or any source of heat. Please make sure it does not come in contact with the sawdust. I nearly burnt my day-old chicks, and such an incident has happened in many farms. When using brooder, make sure it does not come in direct contact with the sawdust, especially if you are using coal pot or earthen pot. When using any of the items mentioned as your brooder, please place 3 blocks or 3 stones and place that item or the coal pot or the earthen pot on it. Please, while making sure that they have good temperature that suits their body, also make sure that they have good ventilation. I mean fresh air. During the first 2 weeks, you have to wake up every midnight between 12 to 4. You have to wake up within this period to go and check the temperature of the room and check the quality of the source of the heat. Tip number 2. Normally, the rooms that we use to brood day-old chicks, they are very enclosed. Since their body increase in size week by week, you have to expand the room week by week till they reach or they move out of the brooding stage. Remove all the plastics that you use to cover the room when they are 3 weeks or 1 month old, depending on the weather or the temperature within the area of your farm. When the birds arrive, the first thing you have to give them or teach them is how to find water. Let them have the water for about 1 or 2 hours before you introduce the feed to them. We add glucose to their water on the first day. Always make sure you give them clean water and replace them when it becomes dirty. Begin to adjust their feeder when they begin to waste feed. Give them 24 hours lighting system and reduce the lighting hours weekly. If today is your first time of watching Safubafu's free poultry farm consultation, please like, comment and subscribe.